like a Hellcat.
Hello guys and welcome to Paper Trading with Deepraj. Today I am going to tell you about Gland Pharma IPO. It is India's largest pharmaceutical IPO by Gland Pharma. The total rupees of 6,480 crore issue is being sold in rupees 1,490 to 1,500 price range. The IPO is a mix of fresh issue of rupees 1,250 crore worth shares and an offer for sale of up to 3.49 crore shares. While China's Fosun Pharma Industrial PTE is offering to sell 1.9 crore equity shares, Gland Celsius Biochemicals is planning to sell 1 crore shares. The other two shareholders, Empower Discretionary Trust and Nile Discretionary Trust, are offloading 35.73 lakhs and 18.45 lakh shares respectively. The Shanghai Fosun Pharma owned company raised a total of Rs 1,943.86 crores from 70 anchor investors. The issue will close on November 11th, while analysts are upbeat on the prospects of the company and recommend subscribing to the issue. A few believe that the valuations are a bit on expensive side. Geojet Financial Services stated to subscribe. This brokerage noted that the company has a strong record of launches with 51 products alone launched in fiscal year 20 and 18. In the June quarter of fiscal year 21, at the upper price band of rupees 1,500, the stock is available at a PE of 20 times on the annualized basis, which the brokerage finds attractive. With a solid business model, no peers, and a positive outlook for the pharma sector, we assign a subscribing for the issue. This is what the brokerage said. Talking about the next broker, that is Sher Khan. Sher Khan gave no rating whether to subscribe or not, but this Sher Khan said the offer is priced at 29.8 to 30 times its fiscal year 2020 EPS at lower and upper price bands. The company is said is present in one of the fastest growing genetic injectable space with an extensive vertical integration as follows a B2B model across the market, that is business to business model across the market. Gland is expanding its manufacturing footprints and has a strong pipeline of file ANDAs and is also expanding its geographical presence in new markets. Looking at the strong domain expertise, a sturdy and consistent earning track records and healthy return ratios, the future look good. This is what the Sher Khan said. Talking about the next broker, that is Choice Broking. Choice Broking said subscribe but with caution. Choice Broking advised investors to subscribe with caution as even though the fundamentals of the business were strong, the valuation appeared stretched at the higher price band of rupees 1,500 per share. Gland Pharma share is valued at a trailing 12-month PE multiple of 31.7 times, which is in line with pharma industry PE of 32.3 times. This is what Choice Broking said in a note. Talking about our next broker, that is BP Equities. BP Equities suggested to subscribe for long-term gains. BP Equities recommended subscribing to issue from a medium to long-term perspective, citing the niche presence of the company, superior business performance, healthy balance sheet, complex nature of the business, and strong product pipeline are all favorable conditions for the future gain, and a company may grow in future. And this is what BP Equities say, that subscription for the long-term gains will be beneficial than the short-term ones. Talking about our next broker, which is GEPL Capital. GEPL Capital suggested to subscribe. This brokerage noted that the drug maker has a focus on complex injectables, which has high entry barriers and strategic partnership to penetrate new markets like China, which can prove to be a lucrative opportunity for the company. With a strong product pipeline and more complex products under development, focus on B2B expansion and licensing of and opportunities to enter more thereby areas, the offers looks attractive to the broker, which is GEPL Capital. So guys, this was the view of all the brokerage companies. Let's talk about the Gland Pharma's IPO's tentative date and timetable. Bid that is offer opens on 9th November 2020, which was yesterday. Sorry, this video came late, one day late. Today is 10th November. Finalization of basis of allotment is going to be on 17th November 2020. Initiation of refunds is going to be on November 18th. And credit of shares to the demat account of shareholders will take place on November 19th, and IPO share listing date is going to be on November 20. This company, Gland Pharma, was private limited company, was a corporated company which was corporated in March 20, 1978. In 1995, it got converted into public limited company and was named as Gland Pharma Limited. In 2014, there was capital infusion of $200 million, that is US dollars. In 2017, Fosun Singapore acquired 74% of stake in the company. So Fosun Singapore has 74% of stake in Gland Pharma. Fosun Industrial Company has 100% stake in Fosun Singapore, a fully owned subsidiary, and the Shanghai Fosun Pharma has 100% stake in Fosun Industrial Company, which is a full owned subsidiary of Shanghai Fosun Pharma, which is totally a Chinese company. So this was video about the Gland Pharma IPO. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit that bell icon after subscribing, and don't forget to share this video with your friends.